So as normal, go around all the wheels, give them a spray, let it dwell. While I'm doing that, I'll just give the arches a blast out and clean the wheels at the same time. Now I've been around all the wheels and arches, just give the wheels another spray and go around with the wheel brush. Now I've done all 4 wheels. Pull the car back or forward so you rotate the wheels at least 180 degrees and then go round the wheels again. This is just to ensure that you don't miss anything, you've got the wheels fully clean. Now that I've cleaned the wheels with the wheel cleaning brush, this is a pre-wash. I'm just going to go around all the door checks, give them a spray. This just helps to loosen all the dirt and muck that's on it, softens it up. And also remember to do the fuel cap. Spray underneath the arches, round the wheels, just to make sure the chemicals don't dry, and also go along the side of the car, roughly about the wheel height of the arches, just right along. Cover the windows, front end of the car, again pull the car forward, and then repeat with, well, no repeat, go around with the power washer, starting with the door checks first. The wash process is done, let's get on to the drying. This is a dual twisted microfiber drying towel. This one is from Infinity Wax. Link for this towel is down below in the description. Typically get roughly about 2 cars, maybe 3 cars, depending on the size of them. Guys, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment down below what drying towel that you're using. So as it's got quite cold on the night of doing this car, we've got to get it waxed with Fusso. It's 12 months protection. Because the last thing I want to do is try defrosting the car in the morning to get the wax on. As you can imagine how a nightmare that would be. So as you can see, I've done one half of the roof onto the other side. You can do this in 2 separate locations. You usually do it in circles or straight motions, cross hatches. Buffing off, it's just the same sort of way, straight lines. I tend to try folding a microfiber into quarters so you can get 8 sections of the microfiber for one car. Occasionally you do need to get a second microfiber, just depending on how big the vehicle is. As you can see, the gloss and the clarity is really well. Marks you can see there, it's just really cold from removing the wax, as I think it was meant to be down to 0 degrees this night. All morning. So last night got washed, dried, and we got a Fusso coat put on it. Unfortunately there's some scuff marks where it's like been a spade or something put against it. Just got to get the inside done. So the inside's got to get carpets and that cleaned, seats are shampooed, and up and down there. There's a bit of dock here. And plus, that was done as well. Still water, but never. Over the seats, try and push the seats back off the seats. Shampoo the seats, usually always start from the top. Again, pulling the seat forward and raising it, it means you can get down the sides and near the bottom of the seat. That you end up missing it, you don't, and it doesn't look clean, or the dust's still there. Again, with the scrubbing, cross hatching, just sometimes it helps with the agitating and getting the dirt out. Again, everyone will do this different. Obviously with the foam is still white, the seats are not that bad. Some of them are pretty dirty, they turn up grey, beige, sort of dirty white, as if you wouldn't expect them to be. As you can see, the dirt is actually still coming out even though it looks clean. Doesn't matter how clean your seats look, you will always get some sort of dirt coming from the seats. To the pedals. Before you even soak them, try and give them a wee scrub first to loosen the dirt off. Again, you should soak them, cross hatch, the grooves and the lines of the pedals. Mind the stems or the top half of the pedal. You want to have clean pedals and the rest black. But then again, not everyone does the pedals. This off. If you needed it again, by all means, repeat. I tend to always do this first before I do the hoover. No point hoovering fast when you have to. Taking the rubbish out. Well, that's us done with this one. It's the following day. Just take you in to have a look. So the carpets were hoovered, scrubbed, shampooed, hoovered, scrubbed and hoovered again. Pedals are done. Seats are shampooed. If we can help you with this, or you got any questions, let me know down in the comments. Please remember to subscribe, like and comment, and let me know how you think I've got on. See you in the next one.